Hey everyone, so if your Gmail emails are stuck in the outbox or just not sending at all, yeah, that can be really annoying. I'll show you step by step how to fix Gmail not sending emails. First, make sure your internet connection is working properly. Next, refresh your inbox or restart the Gmail app because sometimes emails are just stuck waiting to sync. Now check your Outbox folder to see if the email is stuck there. If your email has large attachments, try reducing the file size or removing them. Next, check your Google storage because if it's full, Gmail may stop sending emails. Make sure airplane mode is off and disable any VPNs that might block Gmail. If you're on Android, clear the Gmail app cache. Also, make sure your Gmail app or browser is updated. And if nothing works, try copying your email and sending it again. And that's it. Now you know how to fix Gmail not sending emails and get your messages delivered properly.